We're officially in 2026, and here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people trying to build an online business are doing it with strategies from 2018. They're chasing algorithms, posting endlessly, begging for attention, or trying to hack visibility instead of earning authority. But the internet has changed. The game has changed. And the people winning right now aren't the loudest, they're the clearest. They're not doing more, they're doing more of what actually matters. So today, I'm breaking down what it really takes to build authority online in 2026. Not the vanity version, but the version that actually gets you clients, trust, and income you can take anywhere in the world. I'm Justin Keltner from Entrepreneur Expat, and on this channel we help freedom-minded professionals build global lives without sacrificing comfort, income, or security. If your goal this year is to be taken seriously online, to attract clients instead of chasing them, and to build a presence that creates opportunity wherever you live, then this video and this channel is your roadmap. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and check out all the free resources below this video, including our Expat Income Accelerator course, which is going to help you learn how you can generate remote income streams. So here's what's shifted recently, especially now in 2026. Number one, people don't just trust those gurus anymore, they trust actual practitioners. You want to really be the best in your craft, not stand at the top of the mountain shouting and telling everybody how good you are. Number two, the internet is so oversaturated with content between AI and everything else, but it's really starved for clarity. So when you start helping people actually identify the sorts of problems that they have and be really clear about how you can help them solve those problems, and in fact, even give value in advance, then you stand out from everybody else in the crowd. Number three, social media reach is inconsistent, but credibility compounds forever. So if you show up and you regularly post and you regularly engage with people, that really creates a history of you doing what you say you're going to do and what you've committed to. And so people see you as much more credible online. Number four, algorithms changed. Platforms now reward depth, not just noise. So the more you can create content and engage and do things that stand out from the noise, the better off you're going to be. Number five, audiences want transformation, not just tips. They want your real stories. They want your real frameworks. They want your real leadership. We're truly in a new era now. Authority beats virality every single time. I can't tell you how many times even I was scrolling through Facebook and seeing all these ads for, build a viral TikTok channel and look at these video effects things that we give you and this and that. And I thought about it and I talked to Amanda. I'm like, oh, maybe we should make some really cool, TikTok videos and special effects and all this stuff. And maybe we'll do stuff like that eventually because it's fun and I like being creative. But in terms of what actually works and what's actually gotten us business and what's helped us land 5- and 6-figure deals from this channel and from our other brands, it's not about making content that's really, really engaging, because you're just capturing the mass market audience there, right? This is about, and in fact, even this channel, Entrepreneur Expat, is about adding value. It's about creating authority. It's about helping people and showing them that we can help them by actually helping them. Now I want to talk about how real authority is built. So online authority is not about perfection. It's really based on these 3 pillars. Number one, expertise. You must solve a real problem. Not everything to everyone. You just need to be undeniably good at solving one thing and solving that thing very, very well. Number two, evidence. Case studies, insights, patterns, client results, and personal experience. People trust what they can see. Number three, energy. That's your voice, your presence, and your leadership, because authority is as much felt as it is understood. When these 3 sync, opportunities come to you instead of you having to chase them. Now, here's where a lot of people get stuck. So number one, they think that authority comes from going viral. We touched on this a little earlier, but it's not about the best TikTok dance. It's not about copying the trending audio perfectly. Do we have certain videos that are a little bit like that? Yes, because we're trying to engage people, we're trying to attract them, but those aren't the videos that sell anything or even build our authority. They might get us a few likes, they might get us 15 or 20,000 views on a reel, and that's cool, and that helps us grow our channel, but that's not what really establishes authority with our audience. So your focus should be building actual authority, because virality does not create authority. Virality creates entertainment. Authority, though, actually creates income. 2, hiding behind generic content. If your content sounds like everyone else's, and if it sounds like something that anybody else can easily do, you just blend into the noise. That's why, for example, this channel is not just about lifestyle. It's called Entrepreneur Expat because we're trying to share what we've done very successfully over more than 15 years each, my wife and I, in terms of running our own businesses that were completely location independent. And then taking that and moving to other countries and being able to actually use those talents and those skills to have not just the location independence, but actually be able to travel and be able to be creative and still have things running while we're traveling. And now, in fact, we're doubling down a lot on systems. So I'm recording this before it's even being published. We're getting about 2 months of content done. Obviously, we've got our other videos where we talk about news and things like that, where we do record them typically in real time as things are happening, and we publish those within a couple days. But now we're batching our content, we're building systems, right? And then we teach you how to do those things, how to build those systems, how to build a location independent business. That's what makes us unique. That's our unique angle from people that, let's say, just talk to ultra wealthy people with $50 million. And if you've got $50 million, we can certainly help you as well. No problem there. But our target is typically people that maybe have 2 to 5, up to $10 million in investments and things like that. And they're looking to diversify internationally. But they either already are running businesses or they want help taking their business and turning that into something that they can run internationally, which, by the way, side note, if that's you, you definitely want to book a consult with our team at entrepreneurexpat.com/consult, because we can take all of the stress and chaos out of moving abroad, especially when there's a lot of complexity like multiple jurisdictions and taxation and visas in different countries and how your business structure is going to work. So we can take all the guesswork out of that, but I digress. Number 3, the third trap here, is waiting until you feel ready. Authority grows through visibility. You cannot become trusted while staying invisible. And if you think that the only way that you're going to actually, let's say, put out good content or do things worthwhile on the internet is by being perfect before you ever start, well, here's the secret. You're never going to start if you look at it that way. You have to just take that first step. You have to publish your first video. We help our business consulting clients all the time with this. They're already running 6- and 7-figure businesses, and they're like, you know what? We know that we could scale this. We know that we could double or triple our revenue by actually adding something like YouTube and authority building and LinkedIn and things like that. But we're kind of afraid to get on camera, or maybe we're afraid to actually post something. You cannot become trusted while staying invisible. So you need to take that first step and you need to actually start. Number 4, trying to be perfect. Just like that whole, I need to have everything figured out in terms of what I'm going to say and how I'm going to look and what people are going to think of me, which, by the way, you never have that figured out anyway. But it's very similar to that, right? Perfection, though, absolutely kills momentum. Authenticity will win every time. So you want to start, you want to be authentic, you want to put content out there that is authentically you and not you trying to be absolutely perfect every single time. Now, here's the overall strategy that we use for building authority in 2026. This is our framework. Number 1, you want to pick your one transformation. Specifically, that looks like, here's the one problem I solve and who I solve it for. Clarity is magnetic. Number 2, create foundational content that teaches your frameworks. That's your method, your process, your insights, and your worldview. The authority that you're building with your audience comes from original thinking. Number 3, answer the questions your ideal client asks daily. Show that you understand their world better than they do. Number 4, use long form and short form paired together. Long form content builds trust and short form drives attention. Number 5, share your story, but without trauma dumping. Your journey is proof, not a performance. You want to share your own journey, your own story from an authentic place, but not from a place of, hey, I'm going to take all of my, emotional stuff, my emotional baggage, and dump it onto Facebook for everybody to read. That's not what it's about. It's about taking a version that's certainly curated, but not perfect, and presenting that and using it, leveraging that to help people see how perhaps they can create similar results along their own journey. If you want specific support with this, we've got a lot of free resources as well. You can reach out to us at the email on this channel. If you've got a question, we can direct you to the best resource to help answer that question. And we've got a lot of free content, including our Make Money from Anywhere guide and some courses like the Expat Income Accelerator below this video that can help you understand how to put some of these pieces together to actually build your remote income strategy. Number 6 in the strategy is be consistent enough to be remembered. Maybe you want to consider posting every single day, or at the very least 2 to 3 times a week, like we'll typically put out our videos. On each one of our 3 main brands, we've got 2 to 3 pieces of content every single week coming out at a bare minimum. And on some of them, we've even got posts like on LinkedIn coming out every single day. But you don't necessarily have to do it daily if you're just starting out. It also doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be predictable. You might say, you know what, I'm going to post on this channel. I'd recommend kind of bunching the content up at the beginning so that you have some data. Maybe do 5 videos in a week and then 5 videos the next week, kind of post it all, get that out there, figure out what's working so that the algorithm will give you data. But after that, maybe you say, you know what, I've got enough time between my other, whether it's a job or whether it's your main business or something else, I've got enough time to really focus on the social media and the authority building 2 days a week. So post 2 pieces of content, engage with people, just be predictable, because authority isn't built overnight, but it can be shockingly fast with the right structure. We were able to close 6 figures in contract sales from Entrepreneur Expat in just the first 6 months of actually starting to post content regularly and taking it seriously. So what's one of the biggest advantages of building authority online? We've said this before and we'll say it again. It's that it makes you location independent forever. Because when people trust you, it's not just like having a job that says, you can work from this place and then now you can't. You can do your job remotely, now you have to come back into the office. No. You don't have to deal with any of those corporate politics. When people in your audience trust you, they don't care about where you live. They don't care that you moved abroad. They don't care about your time zone. They don't compare your price to other countries or to other vendors. They follow your leadership, not your geography. This authority creates permission to move and live anywhere you want, permission to earn USD from anywhere, permission to design your own life, permission to choose your environment, and so much more. Mexico, Portugal, Thailand, Malaysia, Greece, Costa Rica, and more all become viable homes when your income is location independent. Authority is the passport here. So if you're ready to start building income that follows you absolutely anywhere, income that isn't dependent on algorithms, employers, or living in an expensive city, your next step is simple. Just download my Make Money from Anywhere guide below this video. In that guide, you're going to learn the income models that work best in 2026, how to pick your expertise, how to attract clients online, how to start earning remotely without burning out, how to build authority even with a small audience. If freedom is the goal, then income that you control is the foundation. Download it below at entrepreneurexpat.com/money. This is the year that you stop waiting and start leading. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you again very soon.